This is a simple demonstration of our project Smart Drip Irrigation. Firstly, let me introduce to our app, which includes two different modes, manual and auto. Apart from these modes, we are having a drop down which consists of different crops. Based on this crop, the moisture readings will be recorded and correspondingly the valve will get shut or off or on. Now let us go to the explanation of how the IoT part works. Let us try doing the same in manual mode first. So once we have switched the mode to manual, we'll turn the button on and then we'll press done button, so that you'll listen a small sound here which indicates the solenoid valve turned on. You heard that sound, right? This sound indicates that the solenoid valve turned on, and you can see small drops of water sprinkling out of these sprinklers, which indicate that the drip irrigation system is working properly and the crops get the required amount of moisture. Now let us try different thing, which is an auto mode. Now you can see all the droplets of water clearly coming out of this pipe. So this indicates that we are having a perfect drip irrigation system configured when it is in manual mode. Now let us switch to a different version which includes auto mode by changing the button in the app. Now if we click on auto mode, it will hide the on and off button, and now we can click on this done button so that we can send the data to the server. Now let us click on the done button. Now as we click the done button, and the moisture sensors are already in place, indicating that there's already a good amount of moisture present in this crop, present in this soil. Now we have to turn off this. The valve should automatically get turned off, and it got turned off as you can see now. We are not finding any droplets of water. Now because a moisture sensor is reading low values, the average value is computed to be low, and we are getting droplets of water. And in this way, the auto mode and manual mode work. We have used a Raspberry Pi to process the data and to send us the required signals.